What's up everybody, Carpal Nutrition here. Today we're going to be talking about the Werner Telescopic Ladder. This is their new model, so we're going to open it up, check it out, and see how it does. Alright, so fairly light for what it is. It does have a 300-pound weight rating. Cool features, rubber feet. This also has these little knobs that protrude out the side with rubber on them as well, so you don't mar up your surface that you're leaning on. And pretty easy, well-designed ladder. Another feature that I like about this ladder is the steps have extended platforms on them, so that's cool. And then one of the cool features is, so if you start your lower section, locks into place, so you can virtually go from 2 feet to 12 feet, whatever you wanted, and then so on and so forth. So we're going to run this all the way up. Alright, so now we're all the way up. Overall reach of the ladder is 12 foot 6 inches. That gives you anywhere from 16 to 18 foot reach, depending on how tall you are. And let's go. We're just going to give this a climb up. And this is what I was talking about. So the first few rungs are skinny, and then it has these elongated platforms, which is nice. But if you've ever been on one of these ladders before, like I have one, and it's very flimsy. This one is very sturdy. Those are those rubber feet making contact with the wall, so no scratching on the surface. And there it is. And like I said, if you start from the bottom and climb up, or lift the ladder from the bottom up, you can go in increments of whatever you want. But if you're going full out, you want to start with the top and start lifting the top all the way up. All right, so now I want to show you the coolest part about this ladder. Most ladders like this obviously have to collapse, and when they collapse, they pinch your fingers. This one, and you can start in the middle, or you can start from the bottom, but I'll start from the bottom. And then there's these 2 locking tabs. We're going to go unlock, air actuated, and as it comes down on the rungs, there's these tabs, and it self closes. I'm not doing anything, it's closing by itself. I'm just holding it up. No worrying about crushing fingers. And that's it. Put your strap back on, and you're ready to go. So definitely check it out. It's great for attic access, or if you're doing something on the side of a house that doesn't require an extension ladder. You know, you can throw this in your back seat, in your front seat, wherever. It doesn't take up much room at all. Very handy, very great ladder. Definitely check it out.